How to turn off Zara notifications on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can turn off notifications for the Zara app on iPhone. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to turn off notifications, maybe because you have installed the Zara application and then you're constantly bombarded with lots and lots of notifications in this case, right? You have Zara and then you're bombarded with notifications and then you would like to turn off those notifications. It's actually quite very simple. For this, all you have to do is open the settings application, then just go to notifications. Once you go to notifications, over here under notification style, if you look for the Zara app, you might find it. If you find it, you can tap on it and turn off the toggle. But in case you don't find it, then what you can also do is from here under the Siri tab, you'll find an option called Siri suggestions where you want to tap on it. When you tap on Siri suggestions, scroll down all the way to the very bottom, you'll find an application called Zara. So you want to turn off the toggle next to Zara here. And once you do that, you will no longer receive notifications from the Zara app. This way you can turn off Zara notifications on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.